Hi, welcome to this tutorial. This is Teacher Raya. Thank you for visiting. In this session, we're going to solve question 9 from the Math Predicted paper for Form 4 Math 2020. This is paper 1. If you haven't seen it, please go and look for it. It's in my playlist for predicted papers. If you have seen it, this is a solution to question 9. So we are asked, is the triangle with sides 7 centimeters, 24 centimeters, 25 centimeter a right angle triangle? Give a reason for your answer. Well, if we have a right angle triangle, okay, so what can we think about? It's a right angle triangle and you're talking about sides. So we're thinking now about the Pythagoras theorem. What we need to do is label our triangle A, B, and the longest one we call it C. So if the triangle is a right angle triangle, then what will happen is that C squared is going to be equal to A squared plus B squared. So C is the longest one, which means 25 would be the C. So let's say this one is a C, and this one is the A, and this one is B. A and B, it doesn't matter which one is which. Now we're going to test C squared. So C squared is going to be 25 squared. If you square this, you get 625. And now we're going to do A squared plus B squared, which is going to be 24 squared plus 7 squared. 24 squared is 576. 7 squared is 49. If you add these two, you will get 625. So we can clearly see C squared is 625. A squared plus B squared is 625. Therefore, we can say C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. Therefore, this triangle, the triangle is a right angle triangle. That is for part A. Now let's go to part B. Right, so we are told a cuboid has length 3 centimeter with 4 centimeter and height of 12 centimeters. Work out the length of a PQ. So PQ is this one here, from there to there. Now what I'm going to do is just put some letters on these corners, especially this one here. So should I just say this one is R and this one is T. So we're asked to find this length. We have a right angle triangle, which is C there. And we know this one is 12. We don't know this one. We don't know that one. PQ is what we need. What I'm going to do is take that triangle out. So this is going to be T, that corner there. And then P is up here. And then this Q is over here. We don't know this one. And we don't know PQ. That is what we need to say what it is. We know this one is a 12 centimeters because it's going to be the same as this one here. So that's 12. Right then, so in order to find PQ, I need to know this length here, which is this one here, TQ. So what I'm going to do is take this triangle out here. Now, because it's a cuboid, that means the corners are 90 degrees. That corner is 90 degrees. So now I'm going to take that triangle out, and this is the best way to approach this. Just take the triangles out to make it easy for yourself to see. So this is R, this is T, and this is Q. Okay, so RQ is 3 centimeters. We can see it there. RT, what's that going to be? It's the same as this one, 4 centimeters. Here, 4 centimeters. So TQ is the same as this one here, TQ. If I can find TQ, then I'll be able to find PQ. Again, I have a right angle triangle and I'm dealing with length. That means I can use the Pythagoras theorem. So let's do this one here and find TQ. So TQ is the hypotenuse. TQ squared is going to be equal to 4 squared plus 3 squared, which is going to be equal to 16 plus 9, which is 25. Therefore, TQ is going to be the square root of 25, which is going to be 5 centimeters. So TQ is 5 centimeters. Now I know this one is 5 centimeters. I can now go ahead and find PQ. So this triangle TPQ, again, is a right angle triangle. There is a right angle there. Now I can say PQ squared is going to be equal to 12 squared plus 5 squared. 12 squared is 144. 5 squared is 25. So this is going to be equal to 169. Therefore, PQ is going to be the square root of 169, which is equal to 13 centimeters. So PQ is equal to 13 centimeters. Now, if you haven't subscribed yet, please press the button on the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. And thank you for watching. Bye for now.